Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the first two types of classes of fungi, that is phycomycetes, which are also known as algal fungi, and ascomycetes, that is the sac fungi. Today we will take up the third type, that is basidiomycetes. These basidiomycetes are also known as caleb fungi. These are also known as caleb fungi. Basidiomycetes are also known as caleb fungi. These are the filaments. These are the filamentous fungi composed of hyphae. These are the filaments fungi composed of hyphae and reproduce sexually by the formation of special caleb-shaped structures. Caleb-shaped structures called basidia. That normally bear external meiospores. Which are usually 4 in number. As we have seen in case of ascomycetes, they produce ascospores which are 48, but here we have only 4 spores which are called basidiospores. And this third class of fungi, that is basidiomycetes, are also known as caleb fungi. These basidiomycetes are characterized by filamentous fungi. These are the filamentous fungi composed of hyphae and reproduce sexually by the formation of special caleb-shaped structures called basidia. On the basis of this formation of special caleb-shaped sexual structures called basidia, it has been given the name basidiomycetes. And these basidia normally bear external meiospores, which are usually 4 in number, which are called basidiospores. Now, the mycelium and the body of these fungi, that is basidiomycetes, the mycelium is branched and septate. The mycelium is branched and septate. Another feature, the asexual spores, which we have seen in other two classes, the asexual spores are not found in basidiomycetes, but vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is common. And in basidiomycetes, asexual spores are not produced, they are not formed, but they generally reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation. And vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is common in these. The sex organs are absent. In these basidiomycetes. Sex organs are absent, but plasmogamy, that is the fusion of vegetative hyphae, these mycelial protoplasms, is brought by the fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells of different strands. One positive, another negative. The sex organs are usually absent, but plasmogamy is brought about by the fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells of different strands. And the resultant structure, and whenever these two fuse, they do not produce the zygote directly, they do not produce, but they produce a binucleate structure that is called dikaryon. That is called the dikaryon. And the resultant of this plasmogamy is a dikaryon. Dikaryon is a dikaryon which ultimately gives rise to basidium. Which ultimately gives rise to mycelium. Ultimately gives rise to basidium. And a fruiting body which is called basidium, which ultimately gives rise to this basidium. Then the resultant structure, that is dikaryon, that is not a zygote, it is a dikaryon which is a binucleate cell which ultimately gives rise to basidium. And karyogamy and meiosis takes place in basidia. And karyogamy, that is the fusion of nucleus plus binucleate cell is produced. Then they fuse to produce the diploid cell, that is karyogamy, and then meiosis. Karyogamy and meiosis takes place in the basidium. Meiosis takes place in the basidium to produce haploid basidiospores. And first dikaryon is produced, then karyogamy takes place, produce a diploid cell, then meiosis takes place to produce haploid basidiospores. And these basidiospores are exogenously produced. These basidiospores are exogenously produced on the basidium. They are exogenously produced on the basidium. The basidia are arranged in fruiting bodies. These basidia are arranged in fruiting bodies called basidiocarps. These basidia are arranged. Basidiospores are exogenous produced on the basidia. The basidia are arranged in fruiting bodies called basidiocarps. Some basidiomycetes are saprophytic, while others are parasitic. Some are saprophytic while others are parasitic. And some common basidiomycetes are agarics, and mushrooms, rusts, Puccinia, Summits, Astillego, etc. Now let me repeat. Basidiomycetes, that is the third class of fungi. This is also known as club fungi. These are the filaments fungi composed of hyphae and reproduce sexually by the formation of special column-shaped structures called basidia that normally bear external meiospores, which are usually four, called basidiospores. On the basis of this structure, that is basidia, has been given the name basidiomycetes. Now, the other features of these basidiomycetes are the mycelium is branched and septate. The asexual spores are not found, but vegetative production by fragmentation is common. The sex organs are absent, but plasmogamy is brought about by the fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells of different strands. The resultant is a dikaryon, which is a binucleate cell, which ultimately gives rise to basidium. Karyogamy and meiosis takes place in the basidia to produce haploid basidiospores, Basidiospores are exogenously produced on the basidium. These basidia produce special fruiting bodies called basidiocarps. The basidiomycetes may be saprophytic. Some species of these basidiomycetes are saprophytic, while others are parasitic. Some common basidiomycetes are agarics, rusts, puccinia, which is known as Puccinia agarix is the mushroom, and Simus astragalus. This is all.